I'm Siddhi and I welcome you to the first edition of the academic year 2025-26 of Dhruv Global School Sangamner Newsline, where we bring you the brightest highlights from our vibrant school life.
And I'm Advait. We're thrilled to take you through the events that made this term unforgettable, starting with a melodious bang and ending with academic brilliance and teacher transformation. Let's begin.
This term ended on a spectacular note, quite literally. Our much awaited musical night took center stage, lighting up the campus with rhythm and nostalgia.
Themed as a tribute to the timeless melodies of Lakshmikant Pyarelal and the dynamic duo Ajay Atul. The evening was a musical masterpiece that struck every heartstring.
From soulful solos to dazzling group performances, our talented students gave it their all. The presence of chief guest Shantanu Sudame, singer of the legendary Challa from the film Uri, made the night even more memorable.
Truly a performance that will echo in our hearts long after the curtains fell.
Now let's move to academic excellence that's making waves. Our students once again proved their mettle in class 10 and 12 board examinations. Commerce stream toppers: first, Divya Deshmane with 94%, second, Vedant Abhang with 93.6%, and third, Venkatesh Agrawal with 91.8%. Science stream topper is Amandeep Arote with 89%. We're proud to announce a 100% pass rate in both commerce and science streams. And that's not all. Our class 10 students have also soared high. The school topper is Sachi Rathi with 97.4%. 21% students secured 90% and above. 36% students secured 80% and above. 27% students secured 70% and above. And we had only 16% students securing 60% and above. This achievement speaks volumes about the collective success and dedication of the school, students, and parents.
Special applause to students who scored perfect hundreds in Marathi, IFM, and IT, proving that dedication, discipline, and Dhruv values go hand in hand. Heartiest congratulations to all achievers, their parents, and the faculty. While students shined on stage and in exams, our teachers were busy upgrading themselves too.
Yes, the post-summer induction program for teachers began with a warm welcome and insightful address by our principal ma'am, who set the tone with the code of conduct and departmental goals.
The journey continued with a life-changing workshop by Sanjay sir on joyful living, balancing the personal and professional.
Days 2 and 3 saw CBSE trainings, empowering teachers with tools for modern pedagogy.
Then came the thought-provoking Manobodh, Know Yourself session by Dr. Karan Mittal, exploring the Mahabharata, Panchakosha, and personality traits. With engaging visuals, interactive activities, and deep introspection, it truly awakened the teacher within.
The final days wrapped with lesson planning, classroom decoration, and a cheerful teachers' picnic with food, fun, and laughter.
Because even superheroes need a day out.
So, from music to merit and mindset to mentoring, it's been a term to remember.
And with hearts full of gratitude and minds ready for more, we now step into the next chapter with purpose and pride.
Thank you for joining us.
This is Advait
And Siddhi,
signing off from Dhruv Global School Newsline. Until next time, keep shining, keep growing.